Hey, let's spend a few minutes talking about using one of these as a flashlight. Okay, now I actually get this question a lot, which is, hey, I hear something going on outside my house and I decide I got to go check it out. Of course, I need an illumination device. But good news, my gun happens to be equipped with a tactical flashlight right there at the end of the muzzle. Can I go outside and sweep the property with this illumination device? Well, the answer is, can you? You probably could. However, it's one thing if the noise you're going out to investigate turns out to be the neighbor's dog rummaging through your trash. It's a whole nother thing if it turns out to be the neighborhood meth head rummaging through your trash. You see, the problem is as we are going around the property looking for whatever that disturbance is, when we illuminate the source of that noise, if it in fact turns out to be a human being and they are not in the act of imminently threatening you with death or serious bodily injury, you now have probably committed the unlawful act as defined in RCW 9.41.230, better known as unlawfully aiming or discharging a firearm at a person. That statute specifically states, for conduct not amounting to a violation of Chapter 9A.36 of the RCW, any person who A, aims any firearm, whether loaded or not, at or towards any human being, is guilty of a gross misdemeanor punishable under Chapter 9A.20 of the RCW. So yes, if we are going around the property and let's say we come upon a trespasser who is on the outside of the property, rummaging through the garbage or something like that, have we arguably engaged in the unlawful act as defined here in RCW 9.41.230 by unlawfully aiming a firearm at a person? Yes, we could, even though that was not our intent. And so therefore, I do believe that if we're going to go outside and we need to arm ourselves when we do this, and I have no problem with us arming ourselves if we're going out, we do not know what we are investigating. And if we have an illumination device on the firearm, that is fine. But it is much safer to take an additional illumination device, one that's probably much more effective at lighting up the entire area that you need to see, and also be able to secure your firearm. Now, there are a lot of people out here in the YouTuberverse, tactical people, that will teach you everything you need to know about carrying a firearm and a flashlight simultaneously. Their job is to keep you out of the morgue. My job is to keep you out of jail. So the bottom line is, can you use one of these as an illumination device? Yes, you can. But is it advisable under RCW 9.41.230? I really don't think so. Listen, for a more detailed discussion about when we can display or point a firearm, check out these videos right here on our channel. My name is William Kirk. I'm the president of Washington Gun Law, and you have been watching Bullet Points.